Is your compressed air system draining energy and costing you thousands? Inefficiencies in flow measurement can lead to energy waste, increased maintenance, and unnecessary downtime. Introducing the WAFS 103, the most advanced Pitot tube flow meter. With patented anti-condensation technology, built-in sensors, and IIoT connectivity, the WAFS 103 ensures maximum accuracy, minimal energy waste, and complete system control right at your fingertips. WAFS 103, the most advanced Pitot tube flow meter, designed to monitor, analyze, and optimize your compressed air system like never before. Say goodbye to hidden energy losses and hello to optimized performance with WAFS 103. Make your factory floor running smoothly with optimized air usage. Take control of your compressed air system today. Upgrade to WAFS 103 and start saving by WiseAir Technologies.